पास गोडाउन खाली नहीं है तो जल्दी नहीं ले रहा है, हम देने के लिए तैयार है। ये सच है क्या?
एक भी पत्र नहीं आया मेरे पास कि वो देने को तैयार है। पिछली बार भी उन्होंने ये मेरे सामने बात रखी, मैंने तुरंत रेक अरेंज करके वहां से मटेरियल मूवमेंट करने का अरेंजमेंट किया है। ये बिल्कुल गलत बात है और जो कमिटमेंट दे रखी है 27 लाख टन, पहले उसको तो पूरा करें। इसके लिए 4 एक्सटेंशन दे चुके हैं, 4 एक्सटेंशन हम दे चुके हैं, अभी तक वही पूरी नहीं कर रहे। तो वो उनकी नाकामियां, वो गलत बात बोल के किसानों को और बाकी जनता को भ्रमित कर रहे।
And you people are not supporting through railway also. Sir, Telangana ministers are saying that you people are not supporting, you people are not allotting racks also, railway wagons also.
I am again repeating, as many rakes as are required will be arranged. Why are they concerned about how we move it? वो supply तो करें, they have to start supplying the material. मुझे एक भी पत्र बताए कि उन्होंने सप्लाई किया और FCI ने लिया नहीं। 27 लाख टन रबी का, हाँ वो रबी का क्रॉप होना चाहिए और तेलंगाना का होना चाहिए, बाहर से लाके नहीं मुझे दे सकते। क्वालिटी जो एग्रीड है क्वालिटी के हिसाब से होना चाहिए। और माननीय राजेंद्र जी तो कितने वर्ष वहाँ के फूड सिविल सप्लाईज मिनिस्टर है, ये पूरी जानकारी रखते हैं।
Sir, they are seeking written assurance about the excess crop of this Kharif season.
But sir, they have to first give us the rabi crop of last year. And I have said it on the floor of the house. They have to give me raw rice, which is procured and produced locally in Telangana. If they try to mix up from anywhere else, or if they give quality which is not as per FAQ, and try to make politics in Telangana, that is totally unacceptable. And I think it is the failure of the state government because of which they are making all these allegations. They are saying we are sitting here from Saturday. I have not invited them. They are making false allegations that I am not giving them time. I was in Mumbai on Saturday. I was in Uttar Pradesh on Sunday. Who asked them to come and sit here? I am surprised. They should be so. We are all busy. Everybody is busy in our work. How they are all so free that they don't have any work? Because they don't want to serve the people of Andhra Pradesh.
What about the stocks piled up? What about the stocks piled up with the farmers and purchase sectors?
This is a DCP state. Center doesn't procure directly. The state government procures from the farmer, converts to raw rice and gives it to
But
us.
what if you give assurance to them, then they will take from the farmers.
We have already got an MOU. That MOU very categorically states, and you can read clause 18 if you want. If the stocks of the rice procured by the state government exceeds its allocation under TPDS and other welfare schemes, such excess stocks shall be handed over to the FCI by the state government. However, FCI shall have the option to specify whether such excess rice that would be handed over to FCI for central pool by the state shall be in the form of raw rice or parboiled rice to meet the overall consumption requirement of the country under TPDS, OWS and type of rice milled in the state. So they have to, for whatever their state requirement is there, they can buy whatever rice they want. I have no problem. But for central pool, I will take the excess rice based on the requirement in the country. And we have already got a written assurance that they will not give us parboiled rice in future. So, raw rice they can certainly give us.
When the Telangana government issued, sir?
On 4th of October 2021. 4th October 2021.
So you want to take
That assurance was forcefully taken by the central government. That's what they are alleging.
CM
Well, they can allege what they like. After Rajendra Ji's victory, suddenly they have started alleging all these things. Thank you. Up to the Andhra Telugu matter.
మిత్రులందరికీ నమస్కారం. మిత్రులందరికీ నమస్కారం.
Sir, are you meeting Telangana ministers today?
Today I don't know my calendar. I'll have to see my calendar.
No, but the communication is at 2:30 p.m. You want to.
In case you need Thank you. I hope it is clear now. Please don't get carried away by the false propaganda of the state government. Modi ji and central government are with the people of Telangana, with the farmers of Telangana, and they don't have anything to worry. Their worry should be about their state government.